Wonder League evaluators. First of all, thank you, a huge thank you to you guys for helping us with this process. We hope you guys have a fun time doing so. This is definitely my favorite part, getting to see all the kids' creative solutions, problem solving, and pure joy that they have in doing these missions. Just want to give you a quick overview so that you know exactly what to expect as an evaluator. So we're simply going to start on the home page, go to my portal. If you haven't already signed up, you will need to register as a coach in order for me to give you evaluator access. Once you do so, you can go to the Wonder League Robotics competition. From here, you'll see this evaluators tab. If you are already a Wonder League coach, this should look fairly familiar to you. You'll have your teams tab, and then you'll just simply go over to here. From here, you should see a dashboard that you'll be able to organize as you see fit. So based by the team names, the age brackets, the points, if you've started, if you're in progress or not. You're going to from here, you're going to see all the teams that have been assigned to you. So let's go into one of them and kind of get started. We've laid it out fairly simple for you. Hopefully it's quick and easy as well as straightforward. So we're going to quickly go into the first section. From here, they kind of drop down as tabs. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the other sections, but let's start at the top. From here, just something to quickly point out. If you ever get lost, you can go to this How to Evaluator button. It's going to send you back to that evaluator's guide, which there's a little bit more information there. So hopefully that helps. If you're ever lost on exactly what might be asked of the team, or you want some more context, this is going to take you to that age-specific mission so you can see exactly what the teams and the coaches are seeing. So let's get started here. You're always going to see a question or a rubric card, and you're going to be looking specifically at whatever is in the review. So here there's a screenshot. That file you would click on, it would open up, and you would answer the question based on what you just saw. These are submitted by the coaches on behalf of the teams to represent the completion of that part of the mission. I will point out that sometimes you can use different pieces to support one of the questions. So often, like right here, for example, although they are submitting a program key, you will pull that up on your device. And so if you're working with 6 to 8 or 9 to 11, you will need to download Blockly and Wonder in order to access those. My suggestion is that you review the program, but also use any other videos that they might be submitting to support the answering of some of these questions. So you can often look at a program and determine if it's correct. I'm a visual person, so I actually prefer to look at this in lieu of the final video that they send so that you can kind of see if the team actually completed the mission or the task at hand. So you'll simply answer these questions. So for example, I open up the screenshot. It's a random screenshot. Clearly has nothing to do with the question here. Did the team include landmark decorations and descriptions? So I'm going to say no, and I'm going to tell you why. So maybe it's, screenshot didn't support evidence, didn't support the task at hand, etc. If you want, you can use this space to elaborate on why you chose one thing or another, but you do need to put something there. So if you have nothing else to say and it was pretty straightforward, at least put an A or no comments. Otherwise, it's not going to let you move forward in completing this particular evaluation. So you can kind of see that the comment is saved. You'll scroll down, you'll do the same thing. So you're always going to have some type of link here, whether it's to an image or a video or a slide deck or even a web page. We've seen those before. They are there to help support and answer the mission evidence question at hand. So you're going to, again, just go simply through these, answer them, fill them out, save them, and move forward. I'm going to scroll down to this other section because this looks a little bit different. Down here, you're going to see more of the rubric format, right? So again, there'll be something here for you to review, whether it's a program key or a video or a file. You're going to simply answer the question, have any comments, I'm going to save it and move along. You'll see different questions, different rubrics based on the evidence at hand. So again, these all should be in review of a particular image up here or a file, and it continues on. Once you're done, you can go to finalize. Of course, this is incomplete and you'll see a comment pop up. That just keeps us from making sure that we don't get any inaccurate or incomplete evaluations from you guys. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns or comments based on how this is set up. Otherwise, we hope it's fairly straightforward and easy to kind of keep track of. Again, you might want to make sure you look through all of the evidence, be very familiar with what the teams are being asked of before you start your evaluations. Otherwise, that's it. Let us know if you have any questions. This is definitely our favorite part, as we said at the beginning. We hope you guys have fun. We hope you have some laughs with the teams, and we look forward to seeing your evaluations. Thanks again.